right now I'm leading the data analytics effort at the manufacturing demonstration facility. So most of my work is related to helping material scientists with 3D printing. My goal is to help them understand better what's going on in the 3D printing processes using data collections from various sensors, various sensing modalities, can be anything really. The idea is collect all this data and help make the link between this data and the material scientists to come up with a good understanding. Overall, additive manufacturing is still in its infancy, so it's really the beginning of it, and what we are trying to do is help the process perform in every single possible scenarios. So if we look at additive manufacturing, it's really like creating a design on a computer, sending this design to a 3D printer, and you get a final object. This final object is usually shiny, but it's rarely functional. So what we are trying to do with data is try to make a link between what we wanted to do and what we obtain, and see if we can change this link in order to get a better outcome with the 3D printer. The program is actually really interesting for us in the sense that it covers a lot of the aspects of the research that we are doing in terms of data science. So we are covering pretty much the whole spectrum of this program. I currently have a PhD student who's starting as part of this program to help me with this. And I'm really looking forward to engage more students from this program and helping us with additive manufacturing.